How to edit WhatsApp messages on the iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to edit WhatsApp messages on the iPhone. Firstly, open WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Go to the message that you want to edit. Long press on your message and you will see these options. Tap on Edit to edit your text. Now, make changes in your message. Once you're done editing it, tap on this arrow to resend it. As you can see, your message will be edited, but the receiver will be able to see the edited status on your message. However, they won't be able to see the original message. By this process, you can edit your message and make changes to it. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.